What's up?
Hi.
Don't look at the screen.
Hey, but that's what I want.
So we're going to test the onboard audio here because I forgot the microphone.
Why did you forget the microphone?
Because I just bought the camera. So this is the a6400 with onboard microphone with the 16-50 lens on it. So we're going to shoot some behind the scenes with Kim at Villa Victoria, which is this place.
It's beautiful.
I will do some B-roll for you on that, and then you can see what this is. If you want to check them out, I'll put a link below. And yeah, I'm going to show you my favorite way of using the AD200 when it's a bit windy, which is what's happening today, and if you don't have time to set up a light stand. So Kim's cold, so we should start shooting now. Anyway, see you there.
If I'm feeling it, then I don't stand a chance. When you call me, it's a kind of go. I hear it running through my blood. If you feel it, then I don't stand a chance.
Yeah. Okay, that's scene one. It's gonna change. Let me put this down. Okay, so what I did is I put the 8200 with this, it's a pop-up beauty dish on the 8200. This is just easier when it's windy, it's smaller, and it's like a beauty dish, so inside you've got like a metal plate that you screw in. You can take that out too if you want some more light. But yeah, so I've attached it to a monopod, just because the stand is sometimes in the way. We don't have time to put it down, then go move it and put it down. So because I'm working quite close to the model, I've got it in my hand and I've extended this monopod all the way down. And all I do is I've obviously seen in the video, but I put it on the floor and I lean it forward, or I balance on my knee and I lean it forward, or on my hip, or because I mean, this is easier than trying to extend like that. You can do this, but it's much heavier. So I would say balance on your hip, lean it forward, so on. So this works quite well. Obviously a bigger diffuser will get better soft light on the model, but when you don't have time, obviously we have time today, but when you don't have time, this is quite like a good way to do it. Yeah, so when Kim's done changing, we'll do scene 2, and then yeah, so let's carry on with gear while we are. This is the a7iii with the 85 1.8, and then the camera shooting right now is still the a6400 with the 16 to 50 kit lens. So I'm hoping this does very good behind the scenes video, because I'd like to give this off to whoever's helping me, and then we're going to use this for a dance competition tomorrow and see how it copes. Anyway, hope you guys are enjoying the behind the scenes stuff. I'm going to try and do this once a week. That's the goal. Obviously I tend to not stick to time, but I'm going to try my best. Otherwise I hope you enjoy it, and let's see scene 2.
All my friends are still talking about drugs, saying feels like heaven, come and feel like us. All my friends are out drinking us dry, staying up till 7, still on a buzz. I wanna taste the honey. It feels like it's real, but I can't be sure. Now my eyes are bloody. No idea what I'm looking for. They're all losing their minds behind the closed doors. There's plenty to hide. It never ends and they never know why they still wake up unsatisfied. We're all waking up unsatisfied. I wanna taste the honey. It feels like it's real, but I can't be sure. Now my eyes are bloody. No idea what I'm looking for. It feels like heaven, come and feel like us. It feels like heaven, come and feel like us. I wanna taste the honey. It feels like it's real, but I can't be sure. Now my eyes are bloody. No idea what I'm looking for.
Hi there, my name is Kimmy Lynne on Instagram if you want to check me out. We are here shooting with Rob Harris, Optical Noise Photography. Please go check him out as well, absolutely amazing photographer. Hope you guys enjoy.
All my friends are still talking about drugs, saying feels like heaven, come and feel like us. All my friends are out drinking us dry, staying up till 7, still on a buzz. I wanna taste the honey. It feels like it's real, but I can't be sure. Now my eyes are bloody. No idea what I'm looking for. They're all losing their minds behind the closed doors. There's plenty to hide. It never ends and they never know why they still wake up unsatisfied. We're all waking up unsatisfied. I wanna taste the honey. It feels like it's real, but I can't be sure. Now my eyes are bloody. No idea what I'm looking for.
We're done. Do I start with done? Okay, so we're done for the day. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with which picture was your favorite. Let's do that again.
If you want to check Kim out, I'll put the handle here, and then let me know what you think about this video, because all of it was done on a6400 and photos on the a7iii. And let me know if you want Kim back, otherwise I'll just get a new model.
No, Rob.
Okay, see you later. Bye.
All my friends are still talking about drugs, saying feels like heaven, come and feel like us. All my friends are out drinking us dry, staying up till 7, still on a buzz. I wanna taste the honey. It feels like it's real, but I can't be sure. Now my eyes are bloody. No idea what I'm looking for. They're all losing their minds behind the closed doors. There's plenty to hide. It never ends and they never know why they still wake up unsatisfied. We're all waking up unsatisfied. I wanna taste the honey.